Good morning, students. Myself, Professor Sandeep Burken, Department of Accountancy, Shankar Narayan College, Bhayandar. Our subject name is Financial Accounting, TY Semester 5. In this semester, we are going to study some topics of financial accounting. So let's have overlook on this topic. Contents, that is the syllabus for TY Semester 5. First topic is preparation of final account of companies. In this topic, we will study the final account of companies. Final account is not new for us. We have studied in the past standards. But in this standard, we will study the final account of company. In this topic, we will study the relevant provision of Companies Act related to preparation of final account excluding cash flow statement. Preparation of financial statements as per Companies Act excluding cash flow statement. Accounting Standard 1 in relation to final account of companies, disclosure of accounting policies. We will also study the adjustments such as adjustment on closing stock, depreciation, outstanding expenses and income, prepaid expenses and pre-received income, proposed dividend and unclaimed dividend, provision for tax and advance tax, bill of exchange, capital and revenue expenditure, unrecorded sales and purchases, goods sold on sale on return basis, managerial remuneration on net profit before tax, transfer to reserves, bad debt and provision for bad debts, calls in arrears, loss by fire, goods distributed as free samples, and any other adjustment. In this topic, the presentation of final account will be as in the vertical format as per Revised Companies Act 2013 along with the notes to the account. Second topic is internal reconstruction. In this topic of internal reconstruction, we will study need for reconstruction and company law provisions regarding internal reconstruction. We will study distinction between internal and external reconstructions, methods including alteration of share capital, variation of shareholders' rights, subdivision, consolidation, surrender and reissue or cancellation, reduction of share capital with relevant legal provisions and accounting treatment for the same. Third topic is buyback of shares. In this topic, we will study company law or legal provisions including related restrictions, power, transfer to capital redemption reserve account and prohibitions. Compliance of conditions including sources, maximum limits and debt equity ratio, cancellation of shares bought back, excluding buyback of minority shareholdings. Next topic is investment accounting with respect to Accounting Standard 13. In this topic, we will study investment in shares, that is a variable income bearing securities, investment in debenture or preferentials, that is a fixed income bearing securities, accounting for transaction of purchases and sale of investment with X and cum interest prices, and finding cost of investment sold and carrying cost as per weighted average method excluding brokerage. Investment will be in a columnar format for investment account. The format for investment account will be similar to your bank account, having a triple column bank account. Next topic is ethical behavior and implications for accountants. This is a theory topic, and in this topic we will study introduction, meaning of ethical behavior, financial reports, what is the link between law, corporate governance, corporate social responsibility, and ethics. What does the accounting profession mean by ethical behavior? Implications of ethical values for the principle versus rule based approaches to accounting standards. The principle based approach and ethics, the accounting standards setting process and ethics, the IFAC Code of Ethics for Professional Accountants, ethics in the accounting work environment, a research report, implication of unethical behavior for financial reports, company code of ethics, the increasing role of whistleblowing, why should students learn ethics? So all these five topics are very simple and you will enjoy learning these topics. Thank you, my dear students.